the name is.
So yeah, it's so beautiful. And there's a log that's really pretty. So.
See?
Here, benches here at the patio.
And the waterfall is pretty. There.
There's fish in
That's
there.
pretty. Yeah, there is fish in there.
You're dead. I'm gonna go look over here. Ha! Oh, some more fishes.
Yeah. That's the pretty waterfall.
See, and there's so much beautiful nature here too.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Oh look, there's some fishes. You don't see them, right? Yeah, you don't see them. See that? See the thing moving? Those are the fishes.
Yeah.
You caught that for like 1 second, right?
Totally.
Okay, let's go now. We're going to the waterfall, literally. Oh, that's cool. See? I got them on site. Okay, I'll do another video in a bit. Woohoo!